जय श्री गुरु गौरानंद गिरिधारी। गुरवे गौरचंद्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तदभक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। आजानुलम्बितभुजौ कनकावदातौ संकीर्तनैकपितरौ कमलायताक्षौ विश्वम्भरौ द्विजवरौ युगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरौ करुणावतारौ आगमनिगमसारौ सृष्टिसंहारकारौ भयसी नवकिशोरौ नित्यवृन्दावनस्थौ शमनभयविनाशौ पापिनिस्तारयन्तौ भज भजतु मनोरे राधिका कृष्णचन्द्रौ तमादिदेव कमलतमादिदेव करुणानिधानौ तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसार समुद्र सेतुं भजामहे भागवत स्वरूपम्। जगन्नाथ जगदानंदकंदाय प्रणतार्तिहराय च नीलाचल निवासाय जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Sai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Sai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol और प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि जय श्री गुरु गौरंग गंधर्विका गिरिधारी गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय बलदेव जगन्नाथ सुभद्रा सुदर्शन जीव की जय तल्या विष्णु विष्णु कृष्ण महाराज की जय The first of all, I offer my respectful obeisances to His Divine Grace Nitya Leela Pravishta. Om Vishnu Pada Stotra Satasla Bhakti Puri Gosai Maharaj Nitya Leela Pravishta Vishnu Pasala Bhakti Jeevan Janardhan Gosai Maharaj Nitya Leela Pravishta Srila Bhakti Vedanta Sai Maharaj, all our Guru Vargas and with all associates of Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Thakur Prabhupada who are present, all devotees, I offer my respect and love. Happy that we continue our program, this Harikatha festival in the month of this Purushottam. Today is the last day. We started our Harikatha from Uddhava Sandesh. Actually, everything based on all Srimad Bhagavatam and how Uddhava arrived in Vrindavan, Krishna, how he sent him according to Srimad Bhagavatam, 10th canto, 46 and 47 chapter, we started to continuing discuss in Uddhava's present. Now all the inhabitants of Vrindavan, they again revived their lost energy because of the separation mood. After he heard messages from Krishna and Uddhava, he was expert how to present them. Their heart can touch. So everything was perfect. Now they together, all together, they started to see all these places where Krishna has performed his pastimes from his childhood and boyhood. We just like one drop based of our Goswamis, our Guru Varga's blessings from their commentary and from their mouth, what we hear, we try to little taste to touch this. No one can cross the ocean like Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Even Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Chaitanya Charitamrita, when he taught to Rupa Goswami in Allahabad, the Saswamedha Ghat, there he told Parapara Sindhu, Bhakti Rasa Sindhu. This Bhakti Rasa, Krishna Bhakti Rasa is like ocean. No one can cross, no one can measure this, how much water there, how much deep there. Same, just I offer you one drop to taste, and you again expand like ocean. This is the order of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and Mahaprabhu, empowered by his mercy. Then in Puri, Mahaprabhu requested to all Vaishnavas who are elevated there, like Sarupa Damodara, Raya Ramananda, Sarvam Bhattacharya, Haridas Thakur, Advaita Acharya, Nityananda Prabhu, all these Mahaprabhus, all prominent associates, close associates. He requested to everyone, all you bless to Rupa. So he is the qualified to explain Krishna's Leela. Very difficult to explain Krishna's conjugal and these pastimes. This is simultaneously, he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and same time he is like a ordinary and low class and innocent, ignorant, also vices, all the mischievous, cheated, liar, pretender. So who can explain him? The big offense also there to Supreme Lord. It's not easy. Many talents, genius and scholars, they could not enter there. And many they have written Krishna is not good. They cannot digest, they cannot tolerate some Christians pastimes. But everyone, they accept, respect, and to Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavatam. Politicians, he is a great politician, he is a duplicitous. Many things is there. Everything is cause of everyone. So the sweet pastimes. Yesterday we discussed how Krishna defeated to Indra, and he left to Govardhan and protect his devotees. How he also enjoy every gopis, they sweet rice and all cakes, fried, puri, halwa, and many items they brought. He enjoyed fully, and he started to worship Govardhan, and he stopped the worship to demigods, to Indra. They became angry. In this world, everyone becomes angry. Even Krishna also became angry when Mother Yashoda take out, because he was drinking milk from breast and sleeping, staying in his lap and drinking milk, sucking and hearing his pastimes with the music. When Mother Yashoda wanted to take out and to go to take milk, then he became angry, and he also broke the yogurt pot. Everyone, every child, this nature of this. Children, when they want something, if mother will not give, then they want to beat also mother. They want to also destroy this, everything, become angry. This is a nature. Even mother or father or brother or lover or anyone. This is the nature of this mind. So he was doing all this. Now there are many sweet pastimes. Now Krishna grew up, he started to play his flute, and all the girls knew, they grow up, they are more attached to Krishna's beauty, Krishna's charm, enchanting his beauty and his playing flute and how he's talking, how he's moving, and they hear about them. He is the Supreme Lord, he is the top of level, he defeated to Indra, he defeated to also Varuna, he gave life to all calves and cows and livestock, he killed many demons. So they fully merged with Krishna's. Talking, where they go, they talk about them. All this young, new youth time in Paugand, Kishore, this up to 10 years, they are more attached to their friends, and they talk. How much they talk, there is no time. They can talk a whole day and night, they cannot sleep also. This nature of the friends. If you see the 2-3 friends, why also they stay there, they can talk what they have, maybe they talk whole Ramayana, Mahabharata, Purana, all they talk, they never finish. They can talk and talk and talk. This is nature there. What they are talking, nobody knows what is subject there. But if they stay together, they are talking this, that, this stuff. Same, now their central, the object is, main object is Krishna. So they were talking each other about his glories, how they hear from others, how they saw this. Then they started their complete with the mind and words, with the body and the senses to Krishna. Also they worshipped by advice of Purnamasi Devi. They started to worship to Katyayana Devi, Yogamaya. Krishna become their husband. Everyone, all together. They continue 1 month. Early morning they go to take a bath in Yamuna, they with the flowers, incense, then lamp, some fruits, all they organize and go to worship Katyayani. They chant Katyayani Mahamaye Mahajogini Adhishwari Nanda Gopasutang Devi Pati Me Kurute Namaha. They say, oh Katyayani Mahamaya, you are Mahamaya, Mahamaya, Mahajogini, you are great yogini, all yogini, you are top. Mahajogini Adhishwari, you are Ishwari, you are goddess. Nanda Gopasutam, the son of Nanda Maharaj, Krishna, become my husband. Pati Me Kurita. They all are chanting these mantras, and Krishna have to fulfill their desire, no? And before past life, they are all great sages and devis and all their others. They now took gopi body. Even our Bhakti Vinod Thakur and Raghunath Das, they told, and we can get a body like gopi to serve Krishna and Radha Krishna's. I become servant, Sarvidasi. So this is the ultimate, our goal, the objects to get service with Sakhis and Manjaris Dasis to Radha Krishna. When Krishna became there, all girls they are worshipping Hare Krishna. Krishna is one. They are all hundreds of thousands there. They wanted to Krishna. So Krishna also, he is the Cupid, He is Madana Mohan. This energy, the creation, he himself, he told Bhagavad Gita, Prajanasasmi Kandarpa. This youth energy, it comes from him. Kandarpa is, he told, I am this energy. So he had to also satisfy everyone. Devotees, they are devotees. They worship many lives. Now they came. So to increase this Leela, pastimes, also Krishna brought all his associates like Radharani and Lalita, Visakha and all, Chandravali, all. Many they are there. New sadhakas there, siddhas there, then Parisada also there, and all many types there. They are together. So Krishna started to please with them. They are all nice music player and singer and dancer and all arts there. So they naturally they perform this, they grow with this. Now Krishna is there, so they started to some festival come. Like one festival there in Vrindavan. And Shivaratri came, Durga Puja came, and Ganesh Puja came. You see in our Vedic religion, they are worshipping to many demigods. They have music, dancing, and prasadam. So all then they also worship in Vrindavan. So that time Krishna with the gopis, girls, they also started dancing. So they now started a competition who can dance to defeat others, who can play music, huh? Who can, so competition now starts. So all this competition, two groups, there are many groups, but two groups, they are prominent. Chandravali group and Radharani group. Chandravali and Radharani both are also, they are sisters, but their group is separate. And Krishna with his group, they are different, like Madhumangal, he is a big comedian, no? All rasas there. And he wants to eat more laddu. He does not want anything else. So without a group, this Leela drama cannot go on. So different way they invite to Krishna. Their group we told today in our Kunja. Kunja means there are caves in Vrindavan by nature, many flowers, creepers, natural they are, many kunjas therein with full of fragrance, flowers there. So they organize there. They evening time in the full moon time, they perform all these pastimes. Like they come, evening time they come, they bring lamp and incense, they cook many food, and they also makes drink with honey, little intoxicated. They don't go to buy this wine. They make prepare nice honey with other ingredients. So they prepare there, then many perfume, sandal pastes, all together. There are natural, all this, the cosmetic they use. There are some problems came because of competition. Many pastimes there in Gita Govinda and Chandidas and others there. How many there? So in Bhagavatam, actually Bhagavatam Rasalila, Sukadeva Goswami described. But this Kunja Leelas, he did not describe separately because that time only 7 days they have a time, and within 7 days Parikita Maharaj will leave his body. So he wants to complete, to finish. So he just touched. He gave all the in Bhagavatam by their letters, words, sentence. He gave the all these leelas. So when Uddhava came, one day they all Radharani's group. Now after Krishna left to Mathura, there are no competition. They are cry all, so they became together. Then they called to Uddhav. They all together they are going to the different, like Govardhana they went. Then they started Govardhana Leela. They describe his presence, how they perform. Again, when they saw Krishna, Uddhava tell us how we can live without Krishna. how you can say that he is everywhere, and how we can forget him. Now if we see some cloud come, we think, oh, Indra coming now, Krishna is not no here, we don't worship him, maybe he will kill us. We fear now. If we see Govardhan, if we see cloud, we fear. Everywhere where we go, we have same Krishna's pastimes, and same time we have fear, and we are like orphan. How we can continue our life? Then they start to cry. In this way, continuing all leelas, if we will have time, we will continue discuss all pastimes. How Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Puri, he also enjoyed these leelas. Today, because today is Purushottam Masi, the last day, so we will go to little sweet pastime how Krishna was playing with his girlfriends, all his gopis there. So here, but in Vedic system, in Varnasrama, there is no girlfriend, boyfriend. This is prohibited. Girls, boys, they are separated. They cannot stay together. They cannot be friends. After marriage, they will stay together. Otherwise, not allowed to even talk, even be together, stay together, or talk, or move anything. This is very strict. Now, gradually by Kali Yuga, it is little breaking, because the society, their activities, their occupation, the education, everything is changed. Before was no co-education. Girls have a separate education, separate school, boys have a separate school. Now they mixed, so there is no such restriction. But this is because they maintain their chastity and they follow their Kula Dharma. Kula Dharma means their family tradition strictly. They worship to their forefathers. So therefore, there is also restriction in Vrindavan. But in Krishna Lila, Krishna broke all restrictions, and he showed his mercy to the soul. Because all these, the dharmas, the principles related to with the body and with material, this condition with body. But Krishna know now Kali Yuga will come, and they need to know who is their super soul, who is the real truth, and who is real husband, and who is real protector. So he told in Bhagavad Gita, Sarvadharmana Parityaja Mamekam Saranam. They need this. So he did not follow like Lord Ramachandra, he follows very strictly. But in Krishna's Leela, he showed his love to devotees who surrender him, who love to him. So Krishna, in his childhood life, boyhood life, he pastimes, he enjoyed with everyone, to satisfy everyone. So there was competition there, Chandravali's group and Radharani's once in full moon time, in spring season, Radharani's group, they invited to Krishna, today we have festival, so you should come. We will play, sing, dance, eat, and we perform to worship. Then Krishna told, yes, I will come. But Krishna's nature is Dhira Lalita. There are the characteristics of the person, the Nayaka, the hero. Srila Rupa Goswami has written in explained about Ujjvala Nilamani. Dhira Lalita, he is follow any girlfriend or they invite, he follow them. Cannot follow strict principle. This is the symptom. There is the symptoms there. So they all came, Lalita, Visakha, Indulekha, Sudevi, Rangadevi, and Tungavidya, all they came. Mandaris, Rasideri group came. They decorated a whole the kunja with beautiful colored flowers, many garlands, many beautiful lamps surrounding there, many perfume, and they for dancing, for sitting, they're eating, everything organized perfectly in Vrindavan there. And they are waiting for Krishna. And evening time, Krishna, when he was coming, little darkness came. So they knew Chandravali's group, their Chandravali's Saibya, Padma, their group, they know, oh, today they are preparing festival, so they are invited to Krishna. Today is full moon, spring season. We should do also. We can invite to him also. If we can take him. So they became determined. And they also started to preparing all the kunja. That is Chandra or Kunja, here is Kishori Kunja. There are many names of kunjas. There is Kishori Kunja, Radharani's Kunja name Kishori Kunja. There is Chandra Kunja. There is you who are going to Parikrama, there is Chandra Sarovar there. Nandaga and Barsana in the middle there, near there, all these places there. So there, what they did, they Saibya and Padma both, they are more advanced, but they are waiting his way when he was coming. Then they are waiting there when Krishna was coming. It's time, so he is intoxicated and calm with his flute, his dress with the peacock feather and yellow collar and others. He did not. He escaped from his friends, his boyfriends, Madhumangala and Subala and Sudam. He told, I am not feeling good today. I cannot play with you. No, I want to rest. Then Madhumangala, he knows. He told, we know you are, what is your disease? We know this. So they joke with him also. In this way, he escaped from there. And otherwise, if they come, then this rasas will not sing. So he escaped from them. Hiding, he was coming, is already little night. So when he was coming, quickly he was going there, and in the way, and Sabya and Padma Devi, oh, our lover, where are you going? We are waiting. Our Sakhi is waiting for you. It's too late. He forget also where he will go to Kishori Kunja. He forget then. Oh, okay, yes, no, I am coming. I am hurry. I am coming. So they took him to Chandravali's Kunja. They are waiting. Oh, come. They offer them to clean his feet and offer them to all cosmetic, the perfume and all this to eat and drink. Then they started to play, and he started to play flute. Then they started to dancing and playing. It's beautiful is going on. In Gita Govinda, Srila Jayadeva Goswami has written this. Very beautiful how they write in Sanskrit these poems. Who knows this Sanskrit and poem, really they enjoy this Leela Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Every day he was hearing there this. Who are qualified to know Sanskrit, and the Sanskrit, the poems, the meanings and bhavs, they can understand how they play, how they music, how they move, how is the stimulus there, the atmosphere there. Very beautiful. They have written this. Then here Radharani is all Sakis, they are waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. They did not come. They see what happened, is not came. Passing time becomes more night. Then Radharani told, and Lalita first told. Lalita is more administrative. He told, I know this boy, his character, I know this. He is a cheater, he never is truthful. He never follow his word. He is a cheater, he is a duplicitous. Why you invite him? I never believe this boy. Always he is crooked and he is not genius. He must be somewhere other group. Radharani also she became angry. She, yes, I know his character. He never follow his word. Then they told to Uddhav, because they took to Uddhav, this Kunja, where they were performing the Kunja. Here, you say you are a master. He is absolute truth. He is the super soul, Param Brahma, everything. But how we suffer here, how he was doing, Uddhav was enjoying this, no? His past times. He never heard this. Then he was. Then last time Lalita started, we will go. He did not come, they became angry. Then they are waiting in this world. Waiting is very difficult. It's very painful. Waiting for someone or something, this is most painful to inside, then we cannot compare with others. Because with mind, with pulse, just like booming. It's heating. It's when mind have anxiety for something, anxiously waiting. So it's very dangerous and very heavy for everyone. Mostly with this conjugal love, someone waiting for someone is very severe, heavy. So they are waiting for him and become heavy. Then he told, she must be somewhere. You come. Lalita told, you come. He told to Radharani, you come. We will find him. He will be somewhere. And we never, if he somewhere we find, we never talk with him, never keep a relation with him, and we boycott him. Then they went. Then after they hear flute sound coming and ground sound coming, then they know. When they went, they saw Krishna is playing and flute he is playing with others. They are dancing and it's playing veena, guitar, many instruments and mridanga, karotal. All they are all enjoying. Then Radharani became angry, saw this boy, he is so naughty, he told us he did not, so he became so angry, and with angry, she saw to Krishna with her glance. So, some way Krishna's eyes from distance saw Radharani's. When he saw Radharani's face and his glance with anger, he stopped there, his fruit fell down and he became motionless, and then he fainted. They all are playing there, all the, and when saw him, and see, it is written in Gita Govinda. Kansarirapi sansara vasana vadasum kalam Radham Hridaya Mavadyo Tatyaja Braja Sundari. When he saw the and he flute fell down and he remembered, oh, I did mistake. So amongst them, Radharani is the most qualified with the Krishna's everything. Then what he did, Radharani and Lalita, they came, they saw this, they came to the Kunja, you saw this, he is playing with others, not coming to us, he always giving suffering to us. We never talk with him, never invite, we cut relation, we don't talk. They came and they became angry, they broke their kunja, they broke their all garland and they destroy all their decoration and became very angry and they sitting there. Here Krishna, what he will do? He escaped from them. They are all dancing, he go away from there. They don't know where Krishna has gone. After they do not understand, they were playing, but Krishna escaped from them and come out from them and night when they came arrived in Kunja, Krishna went away and he sat under a tree and he said, oh, what shall I do now? I did a big offense. I told them I will come. I did not go to them. I so foolish. I forget them. What shall I do? Where I go? How I can please them? I can without them. Rather, I cannot be happy. Who can search? He was just thinking. Then after he came, many there are some poems there. Then he came and he knows Lalita is angry, he is administrative. Sometimes he is angry, he can beat him. So he pounced to Krishna also. So he feared to go to Lalita. But Bishaga is little quiet and peaceful, he is sober. So he went to Bishaga to Visakha Devi. Oh, I did a mistake. I am moving here, I could not find in the night time to come the way. You know, so what to do now become late. Please convince to don't angry. When he told to Vijaya, Vijaya was little laughing inside because how he is speaking lie, how he is, they know his how his attitude, how his movement, how are you? It is little late, excuse me, he speak like this. Then they other Thakis they were there, they know his character, so they told to go to, they allow him to go to inside to Lalita. She is fear to Lalita. So what will you do? How to convince her is very difficult to convince. Immediately he went, he touched his feet. Oh Lalita Devi too. Please, you know, I am moving here whole night passed late. I could not find the way to come. Then that one he touched her feet. What she will do? She did not actually beat. It became very angry inside and crushed his teeth, her teeth with angry teacher. Yes, you are very severe. We know you are very truthful. You, I know how much you got pain moving in this forest. I know this. You already many blood you are in your feet by in forest by the nail. Oh, this is so much painful. Go. They waiting there. This joked him and said to Radharani, and she went to Radharani, was very angry and sitting there with that and take out her ornaments, take out all this decoration, everything. Then Krishna went there. Oh Radhe, how are you? You know, I am so suffering to moving in the forest. I could not get the way to how to come here. This is my misfortune. Night is past, but don't worry. Still night is there. We will start our dancing and music and this. Then Radharani became angry and saw him. He has many cosmetic, many color there, many red color, many this the symptoms there. So she became more angry. If you see to see others' symptoms and come there, then saying uh, I am truthful. I am saying I am giving to Bho to any you say to go, I can touch. This is my. I am truthful. I am moving in the forest. I cannot come. Don't be angry. Then Radharani told, yes, you are moving night time. You are very chastity and you are follow. You are truthful. But what is the symptoms you in your there is red color there, this perfume there, this flower, how it came in forest? And Gita Govinda, very song, there are nice sound. Then he told, you are Supreme Lord. You are more than God. We heard from Gargamuni and we heard from all our old men. They are saying this. You are, they are glorified to you. They say you are Supreme God. How you can speak this lie, cheating? I told him, no, I never speak. He says, lie. Then he saw what is in your chest, these symptoms. And Krishna said, oh, I did a mistake. Better I would take a bath in Yamuna and calm. What I did a mistake. So what he will do? In this way, there are beautiful, he beg excuse. I told, I did mistake. I will never do. Please forgive me. And without you, how I can live? My Leela, my pastime is with you. We came from Golok to maintain the pastimes. So without you, I cannot stay. My all activities is useless without you. Then Radharani did not accept him. He go away outside, and then Radharani also suffered because he became angry. But he left, and Krishna also there alone. So he could not feel good. So there is Sakhis. There are some Sakhis are favorable to Krishna, some Sakhis favorable to Radharani, and some favorable to both. There are two divisions. In Ujjvala Nilamani, Rupa Goswami has described elaborately there. Their names also there. Brindadevi and Kundalata, they are favorable to Krishna. Both, but they are more Krishna's side. And Lalita, Visakha, they are Radharani's side. And others, Veera, Purnamasi, and others, they are both sides. So in this way, they started to convince, to perceive Radharani's angry mood. Oh, this is, there are very, very beautiful Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has written in Raga Vartma Chandrika. Many, how to convince him Krishna changed his form, like become a like one beautiful Gandharvi singer. Changed his body, she became beautiful girl, and they brought to Radharani to see you. Radharani also, after that, is take a time actually to describe. So there are many pastimes. Krishna became many like drama artists to convince her, to perceive her. He is expert. He is a super soul. He is supreme Lord. He is creator. He is all arts, and she is supreme goddess. So they all their associates. So we are their fragmental part with material body, with material energy. So how we understand this? But by surrender and by faithful, if we hear with full faith, then we get this ruchi, the taste and bhava and prem will come with this very spiritual body. They perform all this Yogeshwareshwara, these pastimes. Many pastimes our Goswamis and others are there. By time we will discuss, sure we will try to discuss. Now in Purushottam month, the Purushottam Supreme Lord, he is Jagannath, he is Krishna, he is the enjoyer. So we heard about his pastimes, many pastimes we heard. In Odia language, I am discussing also all his incarnations. We completed yesterday shortly to Krishna Lila also, and Buddha avatar, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu incarnation, and Kalki incarnation. There are many we discussed. In this conjugal mood, Krishna's sweet pastimes with Uddhav is very tasty. They told to Uddhav, how your master, you now understood how he was speaking, how he's lying, cheating, pretending, speaking, he's lustful, playboy, how he is doing, you understand? Uddhav told everything is love. This is the divine love, supreme love. They Uddhav understood, and how he heard from them. This is so sweet. All these siddhantas, rasas there. Therefore, he prayed. Last moment he told, Bande Nanda Bradastrinang Padarenu Maviknasah Yasang Hari Katha Kathodagitam Punati Bhuvanatrayam. I offer my respectful obeisances to the Brajastrina, this Braja or woman, desire to their dust, feet dust. Their narration, explanation about the Supreme Lord, the Krishna, Punati Bhuvanatrayam. These three planets became joyful and become cured from this material disease, their heart disease. Asha Mahu Charana Renu Jusa Mahang Vrindavane Kimaki Gurumala Tusadina. I desire to be a creeper, a small plant. When these gopis they walk, their feet dust come to me. By their feet dust, I became qualified to know and to release this Krishna's, the Supreme Lord's sweet pastimes. Vrindavane kimapi gulmalato sechina jadustya swajanam arja patham chahitva heju mukunda padaving smriti brahmakya, whom all Veda, Upanishad, Vedanta, all they are searching to obtain. This is, they here, they play with him like they love it. So in this way he prayed, and we will continue our many sweet pastimes. We will not stop. And this is, we must go through faithful with our Shraddha, with surrender, submissiveness, and control our senses and mind. And if we go to here, then we will also free from our heart disease, this lust, anger, greediness, malice, all this enviousness, is all negative energy, and we become pure with the soul, and we become qualified to advance in our devotion, spiritual progress. This is in Bhagavatam, told in after Rasalila, Vikriditam Brajavadubhiridam cha Vishnu Sradhanmito Nusrunyat Arthavarnayate Jaha Bhakti Parang Bhagavati Pratilabhya Kamam Rudrogam Ashu Apohinoti Achirena Dhiraha. He told, who proper way by Guru Vaishnavas, and gradually if they hear and they glorify this, and by this Supreme Lord's these pastimes, they will cure, and they also fulfill their all desires. So we now time, but we will decide if Spanish devotees, Italian devotees, and all other devotees there, Mexican devotees, all everybody, they are anxious to hear, and from tomorrow we will also give, I will stop Odia class and other will speak, but we will, regarding a time, we will continue in this English class. So all devotees, we will serve. This is little service from Ajbab, Guru Maharaj and our Guru Vargas, their blessings, that we see how they have interests. This month we now complete. Everyone, Purushottam Bhagavan blessed to everyone. Our Guru Vaishnavas blessed to everyone from this material world with mortal place. Death is everywhere, always dangerous there. We see this coronavirus everywhere now, keeping everyone like prison. Many, they are dangerous, always there, fear there. This is the real medicine. If we hear this for our soul, we will free from all these things. Thanks to all. Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari. Radhe Radhe Govind, Govind Radhe. 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 Radhe Govind, Govind Radhe. Radhe Radhe Govind, Govind Radhe. Radhe Radhe Govind, Govind Radhe. Radhe Radhe Govind, Govind Radhe. राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल साई गौरा हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि श्री गुरु रंगंधर गिरधारी गोविंद पिनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय देव जगन्नाथ सुभद्रा सुदर्शन जी की जय ओम विष्णुपाद स्तोत्र महाराज की जय जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय अनंत कोटि वैष्णव की जय पुरुषोत्तम व्रत की जय पुरुषोत्तम भगवान की जय जय श्रीपाद सर्वधिक प्रभु की जय गोविंद प्रभु की जय और डिवोटीज की जय गोलकानंद प्रभु की जय अक्रूर प्रभु की जय साधु महाराज की जय और डिवोटीज की जय गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि महाराज की जय हो। Buenos días.